Hello everyone, welcome to Tamil Videos. This is our 24th video of our Golang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the struct embedding. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that. This is very important when we are learning about the Go concept, right? Okay, today we are going to discuss about the generics. After introducing the Go 1.18, Go supports generics, right? In the Java, C++, right? They are support also the generics, right? If you watch my generics video in Java also support the generics, right? Okay, today we will going to do the examples with generics, right? First, I will give some basic examples of how we can do those things with using the Golang. Okay, first I will create a function called add, right? I will pass a as int and b as int, right? And then return something, type is int, right? I will return the a plus b, right? Okay, now if we want to call to this function, how we can do that? Using the fmt dot println, we can call this function with passing values, right? I am passing 1, 9. Okay, what's the output now? Output is 10, right? It's adding some numbers, right? Okay, now assume that I want to add in numbers, not only integers but also float numbers. That's it, right? If you want to add float, how we can do that? Then we want to write another function, right? Add, I am renaming this as add int, and then this as I am creating another function add float, right? And this is a float 64, b float 64, right? Return type is also float 64, right? And then I can return some value, so return a plus b, right? Okay, now I call to the add float function with the floating point values, right? Okay, this is the way that we can do the add operations with several data types, right? But when introducing the generics, that code repeating, they have ignored, right? Because we can write one function that support integer and as well as the floating as well, right? Floating point numbers as well. Okay, now I will teach you how we can do that one. Okay, then I will keep my first function, and this is the function, right? Then we want to specify a type here, t, right? We want to say what are the values we want to pass here. I am passing int, right? And as well as float, right? Then in here we can say this is not the int, this is type. What is the type of this? A t, right? type of B also T, and return type also T, right? And then it will return A plus B. Now I am calling to this function fmt dot println add type 1,9. What is the output now? 10, right? Okay. Then fmt dot println add, I want to add 1.5 comma 8.0. What is the output now? Right, this is the output. Okay, this is the way that we can create the generics, right? This is the type parameter. In here we are defining the type inside the brackets. We are defining the type variable, right? Then we want to say what are the values we are going to accept into this function, right? And then we can pass those values as parameters, and then also we can specify a return type, right? Okay, in here I have some problem, right? If we want to, in int has some several types like int 8, right? In 16, like a several type we have, right? Now we have some problem. If we have some more types, how we can assign those things, right? We can simply add those things like this way, but this is very not clear way, right? Okay, how we can do that? First we can create a interface, right? Type, I will call this as num interface, right? Then we can simply add this type float 64. Okay, then I am passing this number as the type, right? Now it identify this T into float 64, and then IDE doesn't give any error, right? We will do that to for the clear purpose, right? Rather than writing all the things here, we can write that in a separate file or separate interface, right? Okay, in the Go they have introduced a new type as well called constraint, right? This one you should import. How we can import that one? If it is not imported, you can import it manually by using this one, golang.org x/exp/constraints. Okay, in this way we can use this one, right? If you haven't downloaded it, you can simply download this Golang module, right? Called constraints, right? Okay, I will show you the, why we use this one. First I will go to this ordered function, ordered interface, right? In they are saying that we can pass integer, float as well as the string, right? If we use this interface, right? And also in here they have provided several things, right? Integer, ordered, like I said. If you go to the integer interface, they are providing sign and unsigned. They say that integer is a constraint that permits any integer type. If future releases of Go add new pre-declared integer types, this constraint will be modified to include them, right? They are promised that if they introduce some new thing, then they will also modify this function as well, right? Then we don't want to worry of that, right? Okay. Then if we are using this constraint.integer, then we can't use this float one, right? IDE give some warning there. We can't call to this. If we are using the ordered thing, we can use this function, right? Okay. Then I will use this ordered one. Okay. Now this supports integer, float, as well as the string as well, right? Okay. Okay, you have seen that in here there are some tilde sign, right? I will explain what is this tilde mark, right? Okay, first I will remove this one and add in int as well as the float 64, right? Then I am creating some random user type, right? Like user ID, right? Like this say, this is for int alias, right? User ID is the alias of it, right? Then if we want to create variable, we can using the user ID, we can simply call to this user ID 10, right? Then user ID 10, right? This user ID is a alias for int, right? This is alias, right? Okay, then ID says that user ID as a type interface, right? We cannot use. Then we can say to this generic function by using the tilde sign, right? In here, what we are saying that not only integer, the alias as well we can use, right? Now the ID removes that error. Now you can use that. That's the meaning of the tilde sign, right? Okay, these are the things that I want to teach you regarding the Golang related generics, right? You will have to more practicing on these things. There are so many things that we can discuss in Go related concept, right? This is one of concept, right? This is also very important thing, right? If you want to use this Golang generic feature, make sure that you have installed 1.18 newest version, right? Go supports generics beginning of the 1.18, right? That is a very important thing. If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel. Please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.